Hello you guys, it's your girl Deja D and I am back with another video. So as you guys have read the title, this is just a quick little short clip on my second experience on getting my hair retied and my first wash day. Listen y'all, when I was loose natural, wash day was something serious. So going this long without it was just driving me crazy. But if you're interested and you want to keep watching, stay tuned. Don't forget to subscribe, like, share, comment, hit the ring, hit the bell notification. Ring that bell, y'all, so y'all can know when I upload a new video. I'm really excited because one, I was able to wash my hair, and I mean really like clarify my scalp, and two, I got the best retie ever. I mean, y'all, get into this. Like, let's really just get into it just real quick before we get started. And y'all, please excuse my background. My children are in my room watching TV. So let's just really get into this, y'all. Y'all don't understand how excited I am. Experience was amazing. She was very friendly. She was real. She was just all around great. And then she was like, do you want me to continue locking your hair? Yes, ma'am, I do. Go ahead and put that other appointment up because I will be back. But anyways, yeah, I got the number, text her. I talked to her. She gave me the okay to wash my hair, which I was excited. But I can't stress this enough, guys. I was really excited to wash my hair. She was cheaper than the first time, and overall was just, the results was better. It was about the same atmosphere, like the atmosphere from the first time. It was really good. Like, it was great. I just, she started at about 9:30 and was done. I was walking out the door by like 2 versus the first time that I'm going to keep referring to the first time, y'all. If y'all want to know what happened, click the link and the video is there. Trust me, I go into full 100% detail. It's nothing bad. It's just, comparing it to. Overall, my experience was really pleasant. I mean, she did an amazing job. So I will be going to her. I will be doing 3 to 6 weeks because for whatever reason, my hair grows really, really fast. So the reason why my last 2 visits were really long was because I exceeded 6 weeks. Well, I really didn't exceed 6 weeks with the first one, but with the first one I had twists. So, twists unravel a little bit. So I had a good 3-4 inches that she needed to reach. This time I had about 2 to 3. So I told her 4 to 6, perfect. So I won't have to be sent down so long. I can make sure I'm telling my babysitters and, I make sure I'm on time for daycare and all that. So I will be going back to her faithfully about 4 to 6 weeks. She was like, girl, you did your hair yourself? And she made me feel really good about myself and about the work that I did on my hair. So that was great. The other lady actually did too. Now that I washed my hair. I slept with it I slept with it in the sections. Now that I'm used to her and now that I'm I know what she does. All she did was take the braids down, combined it, and put it in 4. So now that's what I'm going to do. Just bring it there already in 4 sections. But she wanted it to be mildly damp, so it would be easy to apply. And that's another thing I liked about her. She did not use product in my hair, so it didn't feel nasty and gooky and all of that. I'm real extra when it comes to hair and naturalness and build up, and because I have low porosity hair and I dyed my hair right before I locked it. So certain things just ain't gonna fly with me, and that was one of them. I did not like the product buildup. That's not cute. And now that I see how this looks without product, I don't even feel like anybody should need it. That she was cheaper, she was pleasant, she was very thorough. She used natural. Only thing she used was spraying some essential oils, y'all. It was kind of far, but I mean, I don't really care about that because the last time I drove 1 hour and 5 minutes, so I don't really care. If I'm 100% pleased, I don't think I have anything negative to say other than the stairs. But she didn't know I had just had hip surgery, so I had to go down the stairs to get into her little salon. But she let me go through her garage when it was time to leave, so that's not even a negative thing. Like I don't, like, she told me, no, your locks aren't too small, because I was actually thinking about combining them at one point. Y'all, she just made me feel good. It made me look good too, so that's a plus. Win-win. Okay, so the shampoo this time was the Carol's Daughter Wash Day Delight Love at First Wash Water to Foam Shampoo with aloe in it. I use this stuff for my kids' hair. It's pretty decent. It's not my favorite. My favorite is the Shea Moisture Jamaican Black Castor Oil and Apple Cider Vinegar line. That's my favorite shampoo, hands down. But this one got the job done. So here I go, and I just take my time, and I just make sure I get every inch of my scalp. As I was braiding and trying to like find my sections and braiding them up and stuff, I was trying to like make sure I got the roots a little bit looser so I could stick my fingers up in there and make sure I get up all the dirt and gook and all the other stuff. I wouldn't really say build up, because other than the product that my last loctician used on my hair, I don't use products. I mainly use like a daily mist. You can kind of call it like a daily mist. I put rose water, a little bit of aloe vera juice, and some essential oils, and maybe like a little bit of jojoba oil just for that extra little boost. But I put mainly liquids in it, so I water it down. Other than that, that's really all that's in my hair. It's mainly dirt that I'm focused on trying to get up out of there and make sure it's all well and good. Need my scalp to be squeaky clean. I'm actually thinking about making a scalp exfoliant. Most likely not for my hair. I'm probably going to end up making it and trying it on my daughter's hair, but that's one of the things I've been thinking about making. But here I am now, just rinsing it out. And you'll see where once I realize that my scalp is completely like clean and stuff, I go through and I start wringing out the braids just to make sure the braids don't have any shampoo in it, because the last thing I need is soap scum build up on my locks. That don't even sound like it's going to be a pretty sight. So I just try to make sure I wring out the actual shaft of the braids, as well as making sure I get up in there and all of that good jazz. I had water all in my eyes, y'all. My eyes was burning, okay? Burning. But I felt good afterwards. Well, guys, it's my first wash day. Guys, come back next week for another